Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make these Labradorite and hoop earrings. These are a super simple kit that we have on the website, and the only tools that you'll need are the needle nose pliers and the chain nose pliers. So first of all, we're going to attach the Labradorite to the big hoop at the bottom. And to attach the two, we're going to use a jump ring. So I'm going to take one side of the jump ring with my chain nose plier, and I'm going to take the other with the needle nose, and I'm going to slowly twist them apart and open. And then I'm going to put the Labradorite on there and the hoop. I'm going to take my pliers and gently put them back into place. Then I'm going to put my other hoops together, and I'm going to open the ear wire. I'm just gently going to twist it to the side. I'm going to put the hoops on there, and then I'm going to gently twist it back into place. And then you'll just do the same thing with the other earring to finish out the pair. Happy beading!